Today's talk is about cross-referencing and bibliography management. And in this particular lecture, we will see some features of Mandley to do this specifically for bibliography management. Let me start with the very basic of this cross-referencing and bibliography management, why we need this, what this cross-referencing and bibliography management is, and where we will find this kind of problems, how we will handle this kind of problems. Hopefully, the audience have written any kind of document before attending this lecture, any kind of document in the form of either paper or any research paper or any kind of book or any kind of articles where you have different sections, different paragraphs, and you have seen these terms, or you understand these terms, what is document, what is part, chapter, section, subsection, subsections, or paragraph, subparagraphs, figure, table, equation, etc. So when you have these kind of things, that you need to mention whatever you have written previously, or say sometimes you write a document and then you plan that that particular topic will be explained later on in detail of that particular chapter. So in these cases, we need to refer some content, we need to refer some portion of the document to another place, and that is called the referencing document. Okay, referencing in a document, and this referencing has many types, and referencing actually plays different roles in reading the document, understanding the document. So this referencing sometimes we use inside the document. Inside the document, like when you are referencing a chapter, referencing a section, referencing a part, then that is called inside the document. You are trying to refer something. And there is another type of referencing where you try to refer some other document. That other document may be your own document, which you have already like created, or some other document which somebody else has created for a particular knowledge or particular information. For example, you have seen that if author has given a detailed information on some topic in chapter 4, say you are writing a book and there are several chapters. So in a particular chapter, chapter 4, you want to refer something which you have already discussed in chapter 2, or you will discuss in detail about that particular thing in chapter 7. So either you will do that same thing in future, or you have already done in past. So in both cases, if you want to do this, or you want to refer that content, that this particular topic has been explained in detail in chapter, will be explained in have been explained in detail in chapter 7, then you can use this kind of referencing in your document. So one way of doing this is called cross-referencing. Another way of doing this is called bibliography management. Cross-referencing, that means when you are doing the same thing, or referencing the articles, or referencing the matter or fact within the same document, then that is called cross-referencing. And when you are doing the same thing or your own document, which is published earlier or which is created earlier, then that is called bibliography management, or by using citation. So is this kind of things, this bibliography management and citation sometimes can be done by using this kind of quotation marks, or sometimes in writing. Okay, but in both cases we need to refer, we have to give the credit from where you have collected the information.